Alright, so welcome to the next part on installing NX onto your computer. Now at this point you should have already downloaded all the files from the FTP, so that's right there, the 11 windows, and now you'll get all of this stuff. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to open up this Word document. Now this Word document has pretty much everything that we're going to do, and I'm going to keep it up right there. So you can follow this along at home on your own computer. You can do it at your own pace if I'm going too fast, too slow. As long as it's installed, it doesn't matter. The video is just sort of to help you. So we're going to follow the steps exactly. So the first thing is we're going to open up this one right here that says launch. Yes, yes. And you'll get this. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is install on NX. We will install the license server later. So you hit install NX, English. You'll get this install Windows, let that go, and then you'll get this part. This is a brand new window. Next, we're just going to go typical. Next. Mine's being a little slow. And this is where you can change where you want it to save. C for me is the, yeah. So I'm just going to keep it at default in case you want to go somewhere else. This is where you go change and, you just follow through. Up one level, you look through wherever you want it to be. You should be fine just by default. Next, the license server name. I already have it because I've installed NX onto this computer before, but you're just going to want to copy paste this onto there. Okay? Next again. Oh, so if that tells you that, what you can do is just turn on the UTEP VPN real quick. And that should bypass that. I guess I can also make a video on how to make the UTEP VPN, but it should be just straightforward. Then next, and then you won't get that little issue. Let's scroll down, English again, install, and this part is real simple. You just let it install, and then you wait until it finishes. I will cut back when it's already done. Alright, so we're back, and this is already finished installing, so finish, and now we can actually open up NX11. Now, we are not done yet, even though this opens up, because the problem that we have is that for this to work, you'll have to be on to either UTEP Wi-Fi or on the VPN. Now, the VPN is not a big deal to install. However, if you're having internet issues or if the internet's messing up on campus for whatever reason, then what you'll really want to do is make sure you follow these last steps. And these last steps are where it gets really complicated, so you're going to have to follow it exactly. Now, try to do this as best as you can. Okay, I'll try to make this easy. So I'm going to go to the control panel myself. Control panel. And you see you have to follow these settings. So we're going to go to control panel, system and security. So you'll look for system and security. Then you're going to go to system. Okay, and you'll get this page. Now I'm on Windows 8 and this is different. They're on Windows 7, but it's the same idea. You should still be able to get there as long as you know how to get into control panel. Then you're going to go to advanced system settings. And you'll get this part. You'll want to go click environmental variables, new, and this is, you're just going to copy paste it, okay? So variable name, that, and then copy paste these values. Okay? That looks good. Okay. Now you're going to do it again. So we're going to do this for the license server. Click, and then copy paste value name. Oh. Okay. Now you have those done. So you'll just press OK. And OK. Alright. Now, for whatever reason, they didn't include the last steps here. So we'll just have to go through it the other way. Okay, so after I fiddled around with it and tried to go ahead and install the license server, I kept getting an error, which was this one. However, I disconnected from the UTEP VPN. If you guys can see that barely, I'm not connected to it. And I'm still able to open up NX11. I'm unsure if I have it already installed onto this computer, so things are messing up. If you guys could give me feedback, that'd greatly appreciate it. So if you just have to do these steps and it works, then no problem, we don't have to worry about it. If you do all of these and you can't open up NX11 unless you're connected to the VPN, go ahead, leave a comment or tell me in class, send an email, and then I'll have to make an addendum video where we actually finish up the other steps, because I know there are other parts that we need to complete. I'm not sure if maybe there was an update to how they set up their licensing at UTEP or what it would be, but I'm able to open up NX11, and I'm not sure if that's going to be an issue for you guys or not. So go ahead, I'll need your guys' feedback, okay? But if you get to this step and you open up NX11 and you're good to go, then that's it. You finished it. You have the program installed, and you should be able to open it up without any internet access. All right? Good luck.